Hello all. In this video, I have also made a dummy sheet about a buyer, product, and price. So, a buyer purchases a particular type of product at what price? And suppose now I want to understand uh, I just want to understand only the apparel category. What has the sale which has happened in the apparel category and in the grocery category and in the chocolate category individually. So what I can do, I can simply select this. I can simply select this and use this data tab again, and I can select on this filter. When I will select this big filter icon, all my column headers will have a drop down, and in each of the drop down you can select which product you want to select and what is the price. So what I will do, if I'll go to the product category, I'll click on this drop down here, and suppose I just want to understand what is the, so grocery has a spelling mistake. One is double R and one is RY. So I can change this double R and RY. So suppose I'll change this like this, grocery. Okay. This also I'll change grocery. Okay. Now suppose I'll go, I have three sections here and I want to just analyze what is the sale which has happened for my apparels. So I'll just select this and I'll select OK. So here I see that for the apparel sections, I have the total sale of 2,500 plus 2,000 plus 3,000. This is the grouping. This is actually a grouping of an apparel. Now I can also go here. I can select chocolate. So I can only view the data, the table which has the sale respective to the chocolates and apparel. And similarly, I can choose to select all, and I can view my entire data sheet. So in some cases, when your data sheets are very large, like have thousands of rows and something, so these filters are very much important for you to view your particular group of products or particular group of a heading, a particular group of items for proper analysis. Now, I hope this command is clear. You can now sort and you can also filter. Now, suppose I remove this filter now. Okay, I'll just remove this filter. Now, what I want to do, I want to understand the subtotal of of the groups, whatever sale has happened respect to which group. So in that case, what I can do, I can go to this product. I can have a quick sort A, C, and G, and what I can do, if I want to know what is the sum of apparels which has been bought in total. So I can simply insert a sale, or I can just use Control Shift Plus, and I can sum this. I can sum this from here to here, and I can get that, okay, 7,500 rupees apparel has been bought. But this is a manual calculations which I am using. And if you have a lot of rows and a lot of columns, it will be a very stingy process. It will be very cumbersome to use this kind of manual calculation. So what I will do, I'll just get rid of this. You can go and press this undo button. In this case, I will tell you how you can use this subtotal to use very interactively and very easily and calculate the sum of the products. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to group the products. Okay, just like now I have grouped my products here. And now what you can do, you can simply select anywhere in this particular table and go to this subtotal. When you go to subtotal, you will have that add subtotal to either buyer, products, or price. Here at each change in, each change in. So here also you can select. So this first column at each change in. So whichever will change, this will be a dynamic thing. So here I am just keeping product as one category. And now what I'm going to do, I'll just add subtotal to product with the pricing. I'll just put it okay. So see what has happened. So the apparel, the total sale of apparel is 7,500. Similarly, the chocolate total is 600 and grocery total is 2,000 and grand total is 10,100. Super simple, super easy. Just you have to select anywhere in this sheet. You go to subtotal and you can select that I want this subtotal as per the product. But what subtotal you want? You don't want the count of product, or you want what you want. So I want the price of product. I want to add the subtotal to the product, and I want to know the price of product. So I did that, and once I did that, I got all the sale of the particular subcategory. And similarly, I have three groups here on the left hand side, which is showing me the sections of one group each. Okay, so chocolate total, apparel total, grocery total, and here this is total. So you can see what this is, the grand total. This is the overall total by the product, and here the all table here. And suppose if you'll go here to subtotal, and if you go here and you will put buyer here, suppose you select buyer here, so what difference will it make? So what difference it will make? It will give you the subtotal as per the buyer. But I don't need buyer here because I don't have anything to do with the buyer. So in that case, I will remove this to product. I'll change this to product, and then this will change. So this way you can use this filter command and also your subtotal command to group your products and take out the total, which will actually help you to remove your manual efforts in taking up the totals per category. So I hope this video is clear. See you in the next video. Thank you.